how to use a minimalist approach to fitness for entrepreneurs. I know we're talking about fitness and we're talking about business growth in the same video, but you would be surprised how related fitness is to the advancement of your entrepreneurial journey, to the advancement of your business. What's going on, everybody? It's Chris Prouty. For the last 22 years, I have had thousands of paying clients who I've helped grow their businesses. And these are people who can change lives. They want to become profitable doing something they love. I show them how to do that, but I do it in a way like you might not think. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notifications so that I can send you alerts every time I create new content like this. So fitness and entrepreneurialism, a lot of times what we see is that when people become successful in business, they let their fitness slide. Or if you're all focused on fitness, you don't focus on the business. I'm here to tell you that you can focus on both at the same time. That's what I'm here to show you how to do today, because it is incredibly important to me that you stay fit so that you can work in your business longer and longer and longer and have more impact and have that legacy and change the world, which is what we're all here to do. The Harvard Business Journal did a study that suggests entrepreneurs who engage in physical fitness and are aware of their overall health have more concentration, have more mental stamina, they learn faster, they're able to apply what they learn better, they're able to make better decisions. There are so many great benefits to increasing your physical fitness as they relate to your business. So how do we do that? The very first thing that I want you to do is to get 1 hour of cardiovascular exercise every single day. Let me just say this really quickly because I can just hear my lawyer right now saying, "What are you saying? What are you doing?" I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nutritionist. I don't know anything outside of how to grow your business. So don't listen to me when it comes to physical fitness, but I'm here to talk to you about it today anyway. But truly, you should talk to any kind of a doctor, physician, acupuncturist, whoever that you talk to that has some sort of a medical degree that I don't have. I don't even have anything close to that. So quick disclaimer, you really do want to talk to somebody who's much smarter than me about medical stuff before you engage in any of this stuff. But getting an hour of cardio exercise every day is going to be incredibly impactful for you. And I can hear you. You're like, "An hour, Chris? I don't have an hour." You do have an hour. I can guarantee you have an hour. If you stop mindlessly scrolling on social media, which is a great way to increase your intellectual fitness, you'll find that hour to get out there and take a walk. And that's really all you have to do is go out and take a walk. It's going to increase your heart rate. It's going to get oxygen down deeper into your lungs. It's going to cause blood, oxygen, glucose, proteins to flow throughout your body, to move into your brain, to help you think clearer. That 1 hour of cardiovascular exercise a day is going to be one of the greatest things that you can do. Now, you don't have to go out and run a marathon or a half marathon or whatever. You can just go out and take a walk. And if you have something else that you do every day, like listen to a podcast or listen to training, well, pop that in your ears. And now you're layering the things that you're doing and you're able to get exercise and be productive at the same time. All right, so 1 hour of cardio a day, I promise you, after a couple of days, you're going to start to see the benefits. I'm a runner. I run for an hour every day, 6 days a week. I take 1 day a week off just to let my legs stop hurting so bad. But you can get out there and just walk. Your legs won't hurt as bad as mine. All right, so cardiovascular exercise, 1 hour a day. Quick disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist by any stretch. So if you're going to make any changes to your diet, consult with someone who is a nutritionist and has actually studied this. But I'm going to tell you this. The sugar that you're eating, the alcohol that you're drinking, the processed foods that you're eating, the advanced carbohydrates or the advanced amounts of carbohydrates through bread, pastas, rices, all of that stuff is not helping you. All of that stuff is causing inflammation in your body, and that inflammation is preventing your ability to think. And so when you drink a lot of alcohol, even if it's on the weekends, it's going to take you a couple of days for that brain fog to go away. When you eat sugar, it causes inflammation, it causes brain fog. When you eat those terrible carbohydrates, it does the same exact thing. Every time you go and you take a snack whatever, I don't know, I don't even know what people snack on, but whatever you're going and you're getting a snack, it's taking your focus off of what you should be doing, which is growing your business. Listen, it's a hard message, and sometimes talking about nutrition and calling people out on their nutrition is like a taboo subject in our society. I don't care. I want the best for you. And I'm coming at this from a very generous approach because I want your business to succeed. And I want you to see that sometimes the nutritional choices that you're making are not helping you, and they're not helping your business either. So it's time to start to cut back on the sugars, cut back on the alcohols, the carbohydrates, and the processed foods, and move to a more natural diet that's high in proteins and green vegetables. In fact, that's pretty much all I eat are proteins and green vegetables. I don't even eat lean proteins. I just eat proteins and green vegetables. And now listen, we're going to go in a really wild direction here. I engage in fasting as my way of eating. I do one meal a day called OMAD, one meal a day, where I only eat once a day. I fast for about 23 hours, and then I eat my one meal a day for 1 hour, and then I repeat that same thing the next day. It has been revolutionary for me and my health, my fitness, at my age, maintaining the body that I have, my ability to go out and run like crazy for an hour a day, my focus, the clarity, my decision-making process. All of that came from me engaging in what many will call intermittent fasting. It might not work for you. And again, you got to talk to a doctor or somebody much smarter than me about that, because I'm here to help you get clients and grow your business. Oh, by the way, while we're on that topic, I did make this training for you right here. If you're after you take your walk today and stop snacking, go to this training and check out this on-demand workshop. It's going to teach you how to get clients to your business from social media, something that you can start doing today. Please go check out proutyclass.com, please, because I made this training for you to help you grow your business. So back to the intermittent fasting. I don't eat for 23 hours, and then I eat for an hour. I generally eat from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock every day. I extend that window a little bit on Sundays because Sunday is a day where I just like to enjoy just a little bit more. But that's how I do things, and it's worked out very well for me. So you might want to explore that. And then the third area of fitness is your mental fitness. What are you doing to make sure that you're staying mentally fit? Things like yoga, meditation, honest self-reflection, spending quiet time, going out in nature, shutting the screens off. All of these things are going to help with mental clarity, and I would highly recommend them, because when you have high levels of cardio, you're eating the right things, and you're mentally clear, there's nothing that can stop you in your business, because there's nothing that can stop you in your business. So I do hope that you will take some of that guidance. You'll consult the professional, because I don't want my lawyer to get mad at me for not saying that to you, and that you'll start to embrace physical, nutritional, and mental fitness into your business and watch the beautiful things unfold for you. And while everything I've just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now, which is why I'm going to put a video right here for you to check out that's going to help you. And you can click on my face, subscribe to this channel, and get alerts whenever I create content like this.